Here's how you can improve the brightness of your photo without messing up other parts of your photo. This photo was taken in the morning, and so you can see the forest in the background is lit by the sun, but in the foreground, these buds are in shadow. I actually published mine this way. I like the shadow look, but if you want it brighter so that you can see it better, here's how. We're going to use a tool called White Point. So we're going to right click and go to Colors and then Levels. Now over here on the right, there are three little eyedroppers. There's a black point, a gray point, and a white point. And we're going to want to use White Point. And what we're going to do is find the whitest pixel, or the pixel that should be the whitest on this image. That's probably going to be in the ice. And we want to click an individual pixel if we can. So I'm going to zoom actually. So in the bottom left here, I'm going to choose 200%. And it looks blurry at this point, but that's okay. I'm actually even going to go closer. We'll go to 400%. And so this looks pretty white. And on this box right here, we want to make sure that preview is turned on. So now I'm going to click this white spot. And you saw it got brighter. Now let's zoom back to where it fits the whole screen. And I'm going to turn preview off. And you see how the original is darker and the new one is brighter. Now let's say you want it even brighter. So there's a reset link here. So you can reset the tool and it takes it back to the original. So we'll zoom again and we'll choose a different white point. I'll choose this one. And we'll zoom back out. And I'll turn off preview to see the original. And there we are. So it's much brighter. In the foreground, the colors look more natural. In the background, I want you to watch what's going on up here in the top when I go to the original. It's blurry grass. But what we've done is blown it out. On the one hand, you're losing some image quality there. But on the other hand, the actual focus of your photo is much easier to see. So this is entirely subjective. People aren't going to know that there used to be more grass up here. And so if you want to use this one, you can. And if you like it the way it is, you simply click OK and save your image. As always, be sure to leave questions and comments in the comment section below.